Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite, and let me share with you how to manage Google account on this device. So in today's video I'd like to show you how to add or remove a Google account from this device. So we have to begin with opening the settings. Let's find them and tap on them. And then let's scroll down in this left section in order to find the accounts and backup. Of course, as you can see here, we've got the Google section and you can basically add or remove a Google account using it, obviously. But to be honest, I personally prefer to do it by using accounts and backup. So let me tap on it. And here you've got the manage accounts at the top. So let's tap. As you can see, we do not have any previously added Google account. So let's start with adding it. Then let's tap on Google and make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation. And from this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone, and I will do it. What is more, a quick disclaimer, you do not have to enter the full email address, just the very first part of it before the @ symbol, because after tapping on next your device will autofill it. So right now we have to enter the password, and let me do this out of the screen. Alright, we've got it, so let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it, and here you've got the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so just tap on accept. And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. Of course, you can also remove it whenever you want to. All you have to do is to simply tap on it and tap on remove account. Tap on remove account again, and as you can see, it will immediately disappear. However, be aware that if you've got any kind of screen lock currently set, then your device will simply ask you to enter it in order to confirm the whole step. So basically that's all. This is how to manage Google account in your Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.